Show how wet it is.
Here, do it. I'll cut it around. There you go. Alright, hello. It's another Feast or Famine, acoustic songs in weird places around the country. I'm going to play a song that I wrote here about a year ago. It's called Mountain Creek, and it's written at this mountain creek. It's about losing touch with loved ones and old friends. I actually wrote it from that rock right up there. You can kind of see it. I don't know how loud this is. It's pretty loud water right now. But here we go. This song's called Mountain Creek. Tires running round, you can't lose what you haven't found. Haven't found, haven't found. Some scars will never heal, some wounds you don't ever feel. And I swore that I would never miss company for your kiss. Your love for you, your love for me, all that's left is a memory. Count my blessings, we're losing touch. Common ground, it's never enough.